In this video I will show you how to configure Snowflake database in dbeaver database management tool. So if you see in the Snowflake documentation, they have clearly given all the editors that are able to connect to Snowflake database. It's dbeaver is one of the database tools that can connect to Snowflake. If you see in the documentation, they are saying dbeaver should be more than 4 version, and it needs a JDBC driver to connect to the Snowflake database. And they clearly mentioned this point, automatically downloaded and installed by the dbeaver. So you don't need to manually install this driver in your system to connect to Snowflake from dbeaver, unlike SQL Workbench. So if you want to connect through SQL Workbench, we have to download that manually from Maven, but here you don't need to do it. Of course this will also download it from Maven only, but it will does automatically when you click on the install inside the dbeaver itself. So let me show you dbeaver, and let me open that dbeaver tool. It's opening. Yeah, this is dbeaver tool, and I installed 7.1 version, and this is community edition. So if you want to configure any new database, you can go to database and click on new database connection. So here it will show you all supported database from dbeaver. You can click one of them and you can configure them, and you can connect to NoSQL database also. Ideally it should show the databases here, but as this is a community edition, it won't show you here. So only in enterprise edition you can connect to the NoSQL databases. So now go to all, and you can search for Snowflake here, or simply search for Snowflake from this window. Yes, this is Snowflake, and the next. So host name. So if you see for Snowflake address, let me show you this one. So this is my window. I connected to the Snowflake database. Is web UI actually. So snowflakecomputing.com is common for every account. So, and this is my account name. It's given by the Snowflake to me, and this is with respect to the cloud provider. So I have chosen AWS as my cloud provider for Snowflake account. So AWS came into my web address, and south one is the region. So I selected India Mumbai as a region, that's why it came like this. So this is my total address, and so you have to give entire part from this to this as part of host in dbeaver tool here, and port is 443 only. Database leave as it is, and username and password whatever it is given to you when you are trying to connect to the Snowflake. So that's it pretty much. And I already installed the driver here. If the driver is not installed here, go driver properties, and it will ask you to download. Just click on it and automatically it will download. Okay, so I already configured this with the same details. You can check the details here. Edit connection. Yeah, you can see here. This is my username and the password I have given, and after that you can click on test connection. So you can see here it is connected to the JDBC connector, and yes, it is connected. Okay, now if you want, you can expand this and you can see the available databases in your Snowflake account, or you can even expand the schema and see this. I will show you on the sample table. Just drag it and it will give you the full list qualified name, and hit control enter. So this now it has given you the result. 200 means it will give you the first 200 records. Even if you drag it down, like, it will fetch some more. Yeah, that's it pretty much.